This is the 28storms.com cyclone update for this Monday, the 7th of November. We will get to what is occurring in the southern hemisphere in just a moment, but we're going to start off in the Arabian Sea where the U.S. Giant Typhoon Warning Center has issued a tropical cyclone formation alert. The latest shear products from the University of Wisconsin continue to indicate that the upper level wind environment over the eastern half of the Arabian Sea is favorable for development over the next 24 to 48 hours. That upper level ridge is still located right over and just to the east of our developing tropical disturbance, with an upper level trough located well to the northwest over Saudi Arabia. The tropical disturbance is definitely on an organization trend right now. Convection is developing closer to the more than likely closed low-level surface circulation, and once again this is the water vapor animation, and given the favorable outflow pattern in all quadrants of the tropical disturbance, upper-level conditions do appear favorable for at least the next 1 to 2 days. However, notice that the trough over Saudi Arabia is continuing to slide more toward the southeast, and the hope is that the trough is going to induce some more wind shear, dry air, and thus some weakening shortly before this system reaches the coast of Oman. This is the latest ECMWF model sea level pressure forecast, and I know this may be somewhat difficult to read. So this is the country of Yemen, and just to the north this is Oman, and over here in the Arabian Sea this is our 1005 millibar surface low, and the European is seeing the favorable conditions, therefore it deepens the low a little bit more down to 1004 and eventually 1003 millibars between 72 and 96 hours, but by day 4 it's starting to weaken. And thankfully by day 5, it may be more so because of the trough coming down that the system begins to weaken rather significantly, but we can still anticipate a good fetch of moisture originating over the Arabian Sea and working its way into Oman. And as of right now, it looks as though the strongest rainfall will narrowly avoid Yemen, where just 5 days ago we were dealing with a prolific rainmaker with Tropical Cyclone 3A being nearly stationary right along the coastline. And we still can't rule out that possibility with this system just yet, but as of right now the model consensus is taking this a little bit more toward Oman and then hooking more toward the northeast in the general direction of Pakistan.